I'm from India.
Yeah, very
Yes.
good. So tell me, why are you learning English?
I want to do practice
Hmm. Yeah, for work or for travel or just for fun?
just to learn and explore myself.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
And yeah, so tell me about yourself.
My name is Mohammed and I'm from India. Right now, living in New Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. And I'm married. I have two kids and I'm a businessman. I work for the US and Canada customers for the last 10 years. And
Oh, nice.
English is my passion. I'm also a public speaker. And I especially, I'm very optimistic about my English language. And I focus on pronunciation a lot. And I want to improve my accent. I would like to just imitate like a native speakers. So at the end of the video, you can judge me how I'm speaking, how are my pronunciation, and how I'm
Yeah.
just doing. Okay, this was
Yeah,
all
yeah.
about
I
me.
can hear a little bit of a American accent. Did you learn English through American people?
No, as I said that I have been working for the U.S. and Canadian customers for the last 10 years,
Right.
and I have also my business already registered in U.S. In the state of Georgia. It's been 5 years. I have digital marketing agencies, and I've been working every day. I just talk to the people, and
Mhm.
this is all I do.
Okay, interesting. So usually when I have people that are quite good at English, I usually take my teacher voice away and just use my Irish accent, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Grand. So then you can kind of test your ability of hearing an Irish person. And
Yes.
if you don't understand, I'll just repeat, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so tell me about your family. You're married with kids.
I
How
have
many
two
kids have you?
kids. I have two kids. One is a daughter. She is 6 years old, and one I have a boy who is just 9 months old, and he's very cute. And my daughter is very
Lovely.
nice. She is in school right now. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And how did she find having a new brother? Is she happy? Lovely to be a big sister?
Yeah, she teases her brother all the time, and he gets angry sometimes. So
Yeah.
he's a kind of very conscious. When he looks at me, he comes, by crawling to me that he
Mhm.
recognizes me, he recognizes my faces. So I love him a
Yeah.
lot. He loves me a lot. Yes. Whenever he looks at
Um,
me, he starts crying so that I could pick up him in my lap and I could just play with him.
yeah.
So that's the emotion.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm emotionally attached a lot. So
you
I'm
love
a
being a dad.
yes.
Wow. Oh, amazing. And are you looking to have a big family or are you okay with just two kids?
I'm just fine with the two kids, but it all depends on Almighty God, what He bestow upon us. And
Yeah, for sure.
because we never had a plan that we would have a two kids, but it's all the bless of the God, and whatever is in our destiny, we have to approve it. We have to adopt it.
Yeah.
So even though we can try anything, but whatever is written in our predestination, predestiny, that has to be happen. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah. I like that.
we don't have a pre-plan, but as we all are the slaves of the God, whatever he
Mm,
does, we have to approve. We have to be happy in any situation, either it is a good or bad. If bad is going on with our life, we have to have a patience and we have to be happy in all the situations.
yeah, of course. Yeah, that's a really good attitude to have.
Yes.
So tell me about your public speaking.
I'm not such a great public speaker, but I'm trying to be because I like it. And I have joined a kind of a debate session. Every day I just go to a place where I talk and I debate on the topic. And I've been doing this for a long period of time because of the I like it. I'm passionate about being a public speaker and explore myself and speak on the topic as a kind of extempore without preparation. I like it. I learn English and I practice a lot because whenever I don't do practice, I can differentiate my voices and my accents that I'm just making some weird mistakes. So once
Right.
I do the practices, I talk with the people, I feel happy, and it gives me motivation in myself. I build
Mm.
self-esteem. I build, I become courageous. I become, a full of challenges and ambitious person. So
Yeah.
English is my secondary language. It's not my native language. I have worked for it, and I have
Mhm.
developed my sense of speaking, and
Mhm.
it was all possible just within 10 years, because before 10 years I did not know knowledge of I had no any skills of speaking and practicing, because all the education and all the information I have received in my colleges and school time, it was on all with the related to my original language, not the English languages. So when
Okay.
I came in
Yes.
the college, I started learning, and I thought I should just learn English because this is a global language. This is a language of growth. This is language of
Mhm.
confidence. This is a language of the business, or it increases your performance also. Like you feel
Yeah.
motivation when you talk to the people. So
Yeah.
that's my journey. I started learning 10 years ago, and I keep on learning, and just
Yeah.
improving
I
every
would
day.
say it's almost close to perfect, you know? So, yeah, good job. And I have some students that are from India and they have a very good level of English,
Mhm.
but my criticism to people from India is always slow down because they speak very fast,
Yes.
which is not something I have criticism for you. You speak very like good pace, like not too fast, not too slow.
Yes.
I think that when you speak, when Indians speak their own language, it's very fast.
Yes.
So they know that that means that they're fluent.
Yeah.
So I feel like they think that if I speak English very fast, it makes me sound like I'm fluent, which is not the same, I think.
Yes, I agree with you. The same statement I also tell my people who are juniors to me, who learn from me, who are getting motivation from me. I just tell them, you don't have to make fluency. You have to work on your pronunciation and the
Yeah,
clarity of your speech, the rhythm or the intonation, you can say, or modulation you have to adopt in your speaking. So that's how
yeah,
it distinguish your English speaking skills to the up to satisfactory, that people can identify, yes, you're speaking very good. Otherwise,
yeah,
even
yeah,
the children are speaking English, but what makes a difference between children and our speech is just a proper pronunciation, and
yeah,
the phonology which we speak and adopt in our talking. That's very crucial in our speech, and that's what
yeah.
I have been learning it, and always tell to the people, you have to go slow, but make sure
Mm,
you talk very nice. You use a very specific word according to
mm,
appropriate words according to the situation, and you have to put
yeah,
this syllabus. You have to put the commas so that your English
yeah,
language would be effective. So that's what
yeah.
I've been doing practices.
Yeah, yeah, no, you're doing a really good job. Definitely. Tell me what do you find still difficult, or what are you trying to improve yourself at the moment?
See, as I said, that English is my second language. I have
Mhm.
worked hard. I sacrifice myself. I motivate myself all the time that for sure English is the language which I'm dependent right now, because my all livelihood depends on English practices and English languages.
Right.
And
Hmm.
I have been working it since a long period of time. I developed,
Hmm.
I memorized so many words which I still use. What I'm looking for a public speaker that when I go on the stage, people will
Yeah.
listen to me. And I'm a kind of a religious person. I memorize so many quotes, so many
Okay.
inspiration stories which can inspire young generation to do something great in their life. So this is all
Hmm.
my
Yeah.
thoughts and my motivation. is that when I speak, people would listen to me and people would listen to my voice and follow that. So this is all my
Yeah.
thoughts on.
I have something that you could look up. It's called Toastmasters.
I
Uh,
I know it. I know it.
this one?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have been
Yes.
just trying to every day. I just watch on the there's a one person, his name is Dhananjay. I don't know the
Okay.
last name. I follow him on YouTube.
Mhm.
He speaks very nice. I've been following Toastmasters for a long period of time, but I don't have
Yeah.
right now
Yeah.
time to explore this or join it. I know it is an international
Oh, you
platform.
should
Y-
definitely join.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about it.
Yeah, I joined when I was in college. I was on a debating team
Mhm.
and I joined when I was in college to make friends. I said to myself I would never get up and actually give a toast. I just joined to make friends. And it's such a good community. After a couple of weeks, I was getting up, doing toasts. Like, it's really, really good. They're usually very welcoming.
Mhm.
They're usually very supportive. And yeah, I think you would be more than ready to do something like that. That would be such a good next step.
Yes, like
I think
I
you would have a lot to offer with that team as well.
yes. I know
Hmm.
that this is a
Yeah.
platform that would help me to explore myself more and make me more confident the way I'm right now speaking. And this is
Hmm.
the way I should just inculcate myself, imbibe myself to grow my personality as well and
Hmm.
explore myself. So yes, a kind of I'm
Yeah.
just thinking to join it. Yes, you're right.
Yeah. You just need somebody to tell you to do it.
Yes,
Another thing that I think that would really help you is to read English books. And I know that sounds
I
very
read it.
boring, and it's not speaking, which I know is the most important thing. But if you're looking to pick up some extra vocabulary or phrases, I think it's a good not to read, fiction or anything, but autobiographies and biographies. I think are the best for what you're looking for. Somebody speaking in their own individual way, telling you a story. I think that's what you're looking for.
I learned my
So,
religious books that is translated in English, and I read it. And there's already a book that is called "You Can Win." That's also in
mm,
English. I just read it, and I get lots of information in it. And
yeah,
somewhere it changed my perception. Somewhere it changed my attitude, and it taught me to be a challenging in your life and face the challenges in your life, because that is a part of your your life, actually, that you have to face those challenges, overcome your angers, and develop your confidence, develop your self-esteem, build for this your team members, always work for your progress and development, and that's how you can
mm,
achieve your success. And success is a
yeah,
journey. You have to travel, and yeah, you will find so many barriers and obstacles, impediments in your life, but you have to be ambitious. You have to be challenging to face those kind of barriers and overcome those challenges and achieve your success.
sure. That's such a good attitude to have. I can tell you're an amazing person to be around in life. What a great attitude.
Thank you.
We just have a few seconds left, but it was really nice to chat to you. And yeah, I have no criticisms or can't think of any mistakes. Just keep going and doing what you're doing. And, you are, yeah, almost there, almost at fluency.
All right, thank you so much. It means a lot
Thank
to
you
me. Yes,
for your time.
maybe we'll talk in future. Let's see.
Of
Okay.
course, call anytime. Have a nice day, Mohammed,
All
okay?
right. Thank you so much.